Hello, lovely people. It's yet another day on our challenge, and today we are going to have some keto chocolate cake with some bulletproof coffee or bulletproof cocoa. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like, and share the video. And so we are going to use pumpkin flour, half cup, sesame seeds flour, half cup, coconut flour, half cup, almond flour, half cup. We are also going to use half cup of melted butter, that's salted melted butter, and also quarter cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of plain yogurt, that is Greek yogurt, as well as baking powder, salt, and vanilla flavor. We are using 6 eggs and also 6 sweetness and 4 laughing cow cheese. And so the first thing we are going to do is to add our eggs to our blender. We are going to do this mixing in a blender because I want it very smooth. I want to get my mixture very smooth. So we'll add all our 6 eggs to the blender, and then we'll begin adding our flours to it and blend them. If today is your first time visiting my channel, I say welcome and thank you for being part. And if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. And if you have already subscribed, I say thank you and God bless you for supporting this channel to grow. If you are here and your main aim is to lose weight, we have all the days there from day 1 to the current one. So just visit the videos or go to video section and you get all the days and start watching. Be practicing them. Add exercise to it. Drink a lot of water and also add your flat tummy water. Therefore, check the description box on how to prepare flat tummy water. Be drinking them morning, afternoon, and evening. Let it be part of you. At least twice a day won't be bad. And with time, you'll get there. We're also going to add our butter to it. And we are going to blend it all together. We'll add our sweetness also to it. We'll add our cheese also to it. And we are going to add our yogurt to it. This is so great. It is so great. With the yogurt in there, you are going to love every bit of it. Yes, you're going to love every bit of it. And so I realized my mixture was getting thick. Yes, so I'm adding the cheese now. My mixture was very thick and the blending was a bit difficult, so I added 2 more eggs. So in totality, I used 8 eggs for this. And so I'm adding all my sweetness to it, and I'm going to blend everything together. Please don't forget to share this video. Someone might need it. Your likes are very important. We're also adding our cocoa powder to it. This is natural raw cocoa, and we are adding our vanilla flavor. That is a teaspoon of it, or half a teaspoon, and we are going to blend everything together. And so please like this video, leave a comment, share the video. We're also going to have 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 of it, and we are going to blend everything together. Yes, I've already greased my pan, my baking pan, and I've lined one with parchment paper. And so we are pouring into the glassware baking pan, and we're also going to pour it into this. I have parchment paper lined in the. Then we'll take it to the oven and bake. One thing is, this doesn't take long to bake, so when you put it in the oven, keep an eye on it. If not, by the time you realize, your cake is burnt totally. It doesn't take long at all. Okay, and so we are checking on our cake now, and it's already less than 20 minutes. It was baked and it's nice. The flavor is awesome. The yogurt in there, and so we are checking to see if it's dry, and everything is dry and it is well baked. Everything is well baked, And so this is our chocolate cake. The taste is great. We are going to prepare our bulletproof cocoa. Yes, and we are using raw cocoa, almond milk, butter, sweetener, as well as warm water. So we're going to pour our warm water into our blender. We are not using oil, just a little. We'll add 1 tablespoon of the cocoa powder. Please, if you don't want it bitter, just use half a tablespoon or 1 teaspoon. We are adding our sweetness to it, and we're going to add our butter, about 2 tablespoons of the butter to it. Then we'll blend it a bit. Then we're going to add our almond milk. You can add coconut oil also to your bulletproof, but if you don't like coconut oil, the smell and all that, don't worry, you can do it this way without the coconut oil. So we've added our almond milk. We are blending. It is done. It doesn't take long at all, and the taste, it's so great. So we are pouring everything into our mug. I will set it aside and get the cake. Yes, so this is our bulletproof. And you're going to get our cake out of the baking pan. Yes. And this cake, the taste, it resembles your truth. Okay, so this one came out very nice. Yes, when I was trying to get the size of, I cut some parts, but hey, it came out very nice. But with the one in the glass, and you could see that I placed my glass on a napkin. Yes, with glassware, when you take it from the oven, don't place it on a cold surface or on a wet surface. It will blast. And so you are taking it out. This one didn't come out well as I wanted it, but the other one came out very nice. But the taste is the same. It is so great. So this is it for today's challenge. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Try this bulletproof and you are going to love it. And the cake tastes so great. It is soft, just as I want it, so soft. And you see, the behavior is just like sponge cake. Yes, so very soft and bounces just like sponge cake. You're going to love this keto chocolate cake or cocoa cake. The taste is so awesome and it's healthy meal. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like, share the video, and watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.